Hey friends, this video is about how to install the Kali Linux by VirtualBox. First of all, you need to download the Kali Linux. First, go to the kali.org website and click on download Kali Linux. From here, select the version you want to download. If your computer is 64-bit, then download the Kali Linux 64-bit. If your computer is 32-bit, so download this one. You have two options to download by torrent or download it direct. I suggest you download it by ISO. Download it direct, it is better, fast downloading. Okay, if you want to download by torrent, you can click on this. Once you download, it is about 2.86 GB. So I download it. Now you also need to download the VirtualBox. Just Google the VirtualBox and you can download it from the Oracle website or from it is self website. No problem, you can go to its website. Okay, just click on download and here you can download the 64-bit or 86-bit, no problem, you can download it. Just click this and it will be downloaded. Once you have downloaded this, and install the VirtualBox and run it. Run the VirtualBox. It takes a few moments. Okay, now click on new to create your new VirtualBox machine. Give it a name. I want to install the Kali Linux, so I give it name Kali Linux 2. It's Kali Linux 2, the new version. So it automatically select the version for you. If it didn't, so select it manually. Select the Linux 2.6. Click next. Give it memory size. Okay, I want to give it this much memory size, 3 GB. Okay, it's good. Let's get next. Okay, and here is very important. You wanna do you want to create a virtual hard disk now? You must do it. You must create the virtual hard disk. So this is to default. Create a virtual hard disk now. Click create. Select VDI, VirtualBox disk image, because it's a disk file. Click next. Dynamically allocated, yes, next. The size of VirtualBox, okay, it is, I want to give the size, it is the memory size or the space for the Kali Linux. You want to give it 15 GB. Click create, and now you can see the 64-bit of Kali Linux is added. Just right click, go to the setting. From here, go to the storage. From the storage, click on empty. Empty mean in here you must select the ISO which you want to run. So go to empty. You can see a very small CD icon in here. Select that one. Choose virtual optical disk file. Click this one. Okay, now select your Kali Linux ISO which you downloaded from this website. Select that one. Click OK. If you want to change any other menus, you can do as well, but I don't want. I want it default. Click OK. Once you have done everything, you can see everything is, the detail is in here. Click start. Wait a few seconds to it load. Okay, now it comes. Okay. You have options. You want to install it live. You want to install it in graphical install or simple install. I want to install it directly, not from graphical install. I want it install, just install. Click select install and press enter. Wait till it loads. It will ask you for language. When it come, just wait. Okay, now select your language. My language is English, so I want to select English. Select your country, United States, Cambridge. Use, I think, American English. Okay, let's press enter. It's very simple. It is just like a piece of cake. It's very easy, very easy to install the Kali Linux, but it takes time. You must wait. You must wait and wait and wait. It's boring to wait, but we need to wait. After this, it must ask for the host name. Yeah, it is the host name. You can give any name you want. I want to give it the name Kali Linux 2, and it also asks you for the domain name. So just simply give it a domain name. Okay, I want to give a domain name for it. For example, anything. I want to give it Kali. Oh no. I want to give it republic.org. Just a name. It's no matter right this time. You can change it anytime you want. Now it asks you for the password. Very simply, very simple. Give it just a password. And retype your password. Press enter. Okay, just wait. Takes the time. It takes a few minutes. Okay, this step is very important. It asks you for the partition. So, which one you should select? For beginners, you need to select the use entire disk. For some other options, you can select manual, but for now, guided use entire disk. It is the best option for me. Just click, and this is your drive. Click. Okay, it asks you wanna all file in one partition, or you can make your own partition, but for now I select this is for new users, and it is very easy because this others is a little advanced. This is good. Click OK. Finish partition and write change to disk. Yes. Click OK. Write change to disk. Yes. Select yes. Make sure to select yes. And wait, it's copying data to disk. It takes a few minutes and we need to wait. I'm going to pause the video until it finishes, then we will come back. Okay, so in installation process it asks me for configuration the package manage. It asks me use a network mirror, yes or no. We must select yes and press enter. HTTP proxy. We don't have any proxy. If you have any proxy, you can just enter username, password, and the host or port, and continue. I don't have, so make it blank and press enter. It's in progress. We need to wait. Okay, now it asks me to install the GRUB bootloader. It is the graphical load. So click yes. In here you need to install the GPR loader on a hard disk. My choice is dev SDA, but you can enter the device manually. You can install it on floppy disk or etc., but it's better to choose dev. We go back, yes, select the dev CDA and press enter, and now we need to wait until the GPU gets installed. Okay, it takes time to finish the installation. We need to wait. It takes a few minutes or more. Okay, the installation is finished. Just click continue. It's finishing the installation. After this, the Kali will be restarted and it's completely installed. Okay, the Kali Linux is installed and restarted. Now click Kali Linux. Don't enter the advanced, just the Kali Linux. Okay, and now wait for it. Okay, it's coming. My mouse comes. Okay, the Kali is load. Now just put your username and your password. Wait a few seconds, it's coming. Okay, it comes. So the Kali is installed on my VirtualBox. Now the most important thing you need to do is to update your Kali. Just go to show application and search for update. This is the package updater. Open it. Continue anyway. Okay. This is the list of packages I need to update. It's about 919.2 megabyte. We need to install updates, but I don't want to do it right now. But you must install the updates. It's very important. There's also another way to install the updates, and that is doing it by the command prompt. It's very easy to update it by the command prompt. Just you need to type sudo apt-get update and press enter. It updates, but I don't want it right now. When you run this command, it update your Kali Linux, and you also need to upgrade. So for the upgrade, you need to type sudo sudo apt-get and upgrade. Just this command and press enter. Once you press enter, it will upgrade your Kali Linux. And one thing more, you need to install the VirtualBox Guest Addition to allow you to do more things with the machine. Just go to the device, insert Guest Addition CD. It takes a few seconds, or yes. This is the VirtualBox Guest Addition. If you'll run it, it will give you an error. It cannot be installed directly. You need to use the command prompt to install it. So to run it by command prompt, go to terminal, and the first thing we need is to go to the directory where the CD-ROM is located. To go, type cd space /media. Media is a directory where the CD is located. And now type ls. ls means list, to list the directories from this directory. There we have CD-ROM. In CD-ROM 0 we must go to the CD-ROM. Now type cd, cd space CD-ROM and press enter. Now we are on the CD-ROM directory. Type ls to list. Here you can see we have the VBox Linux Edition. This is the VirtualBox Linux Edition. We need to run it. You can run it directly, but it is better to first copy this to your machine and then load it. To copy this one, just copy its name first, copy, and type cp. cp means copy, and space, then type the name of which one you want to copy. I want to copy this, and then space, and now type the name of directory where you want to paste it, and /root. I want to copy it on the root and press enter. It's copied. No error means it's copied. Now let's cd the root. Now we're going to the root. Okay, now we are on the root directory, and then type ls, and here we have it. This is the VirtualBox Linux Edition. We need to run it. To run it, type /. Because it's .run, we need to type when there is a format of file, just type /, and then the name of this application, and press enter. It takes a few minutes to install the VirtualBox Linux Edition. Okay, the VirtualBox Linux Edition is I think installed. Let me good. Yes, the installation is done. Okay, this is all, and we need to reboot the system now. To reboot it, just easier, type reboot and press enter. Let's reboot my system. And now the Kali Linux must be loaded on full screen because we installed the guest edition. If it doesn't, we're going to change it from the control panel of Kali Linux. Just wait to load. It's running. Okay, type your username and password. Okay, this is all about how to install the Kali Linux, but the screen is small. We want to change the size of screen. To do it, right click and go to, not from here, but from here, show application, type setting, go to the setting. From the settings, select. You can change a lot of things by setting, but for now we just want to change the display. Go to display and you can change the size. Okay, this is the maximum size for my screen. It's okay, it's good, it's very good. And all you need is to reject the VirtualBox Guest Edition CD. Go to place, right click on the VirtualBox Edition and eject. Okay, the CD is ejected. Sometime maybe you cannot resize your Kali Linux on the VirtualBox, despite you already installed the VirtualBox Guest Edition, but maybe it is not updated and you cannot drag drop or copy paste or resize your screen. If you look at here, the auto resize guest display is not active. It means the guest edition is not installed completely, or it is not the new version of guest edition. So all we need is to download the latest VirtualBox. To do it, come to the terminal, type apt/get space install space VirtualBox, and it automatically downloading the latest version of the VirtualBox Guest Edition. It is 188 megabyte. It takes a few minutes to download, so you need to wait until it completely download, and then we will install it. And after the problem maybe is slow, so you need to wait until it finish the download. Okay, it is done, and now we need to download the VirtualBox Guest X11. Just type apt/get space install space VirtualBox Guest X11 or X11 and press enter. Click yes. Okay, it's installing. It's downloading and installing the packages. We need to wait. It takes a few minutes. If you press Y, it's will install the package winter version, and keep your current installed version. File and system created by you or Y script. File answer package provided package penetration. The default is no, and so select no. And let's wait. Okay, it's completed. Now we need to reboot the Kali Linux. Type reboot, press enter, and let's see what will happen. Let's wait for it. It look like that Kali Linux is loaded full screen. Yeah, you can see now the problem is fixed, and let me log in. Now we have the Kali Linux in full screen. The auto resize guest display is active now, and we can go to full screen, switch, and we have the Kali Linux in full screen now. If you go to the setting, display, and we have now the full screen resolution. It is fixed. If you want to go to back to the Windows, just press the host key with F. The host is the right control key on your keyboard, right control and F. You go to the Windows. Okay, so the problem is fixed, and now we can use the Kali Linux in full screen with faster speed and more reliability. So it was a very important tip you must remember. Sometimes the guest edition not work from here. You need to do these two commands on the terminal to download the latest guest edition and use the Kali Linux and full screen and other things that you can do. So in the Kali Linux, if you go to the application, we have a lot of tools. Each of these tools are very powerful. We can do a lot of hacking stuffs and much more. You can learn any of this and do a lot of things. For example, in database mint password attack, wireless attack. If you click, you have much more other tools to use. Kali Linux is a very powerful operation system. Okay friends, this video was about how to install the Kali Linux. If you want to learn each of this application with explanation, just let me know in the comment below, and make sure you subscribe on my channel and like this video. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice time friends.